Welcome to another video. In this video I am going to talk about top 5 best inspirational movies to watch on Netflix. Before we begin, we publish new content every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about our latest video. Number 5. Into the Wild. It gained 8.1 rating from IMDb. A lot of times when he gets through, we fantasize about escaping it all and heading out for an adventure. But then it dawned on us that doing something so spontaneous would actually require a lot of efforts. So instead we struck the argue off and go back to watching movies like Into the Wild on Netflix. This movie is one of the best things to watch on Netflix that would recharge you and make you truly consider the meaning of wanderlust. Into the Wild tells a story of a guy named Christopher Johnson who gives away his life saving to charity and proceeds to hitchhike to Alaska with the aim of living in the wilderness. Into the Wild is one of the best movies on Netflix with a inspiring background score, one that will make you connect with every scene despite the film happy-go-lucky spirit. Number 4. Forrest Gump. It gained 8.8 rating from IMDb. It been almost 30 years since the portrayal of the life of actually a disabled man left the world awestruck and tear-eyed in equal measure. And now worldwide critical appraisal, legal of loyal fans and 6 Academy Awards later, Forrest Gump still continue to make its way to every list of the most amazing movies ever made in modern history. The movie plots spans several years in the life of a man with a below average IQ, whose way of looking at the things and living life strike as an inspiring lesson for all of us. Forrest teaches Elvis Presley to dance, become a football star, meets John F. Kennedy, serve in Vietnam, and speak at an anti-war rally at the Washington Monuments. Just to name a few of his remarkable achievements, demand out of reach by a judgmental world. Number 3. The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. It gained a 7.6 rating from IMDb. Releasing as recently of 2019, this stunning movie has been winning several accolades and making around all over the globe due to its inspiring story. The story is based on the country of Malawi, Africa, that is struck by a terrible drought and rendering countless civilians without drinking water. A child of barely 14 when he first witnessed he drought, William Kamkumb goes on to study and think of an innovative idea to save his native village for perishing due to thirst. This inspiration movie on Netflix takes us through the boy's journey who battled against all odds to do something extraordinary not just for himself but for everybody around him. Invictus. It gains a 7.3 rating from IMDb. Nelson Mandela role in pushing the South African national rugby team to win the World Cup during his first year of presidency. Invictus is one of the most cherished, inspiring movie on Netflix of all time. More than the struggle of a sports team, this inspiration movie takes a look at a nation towards both racially and economically in the wake of apartheid and attempts to bring his diverse people together with a unified love for sports. Both Morgan Freeman and Matt Damon, true to their reputations, deliver stellar performance, and the movie leaves you feeling uplifted with its extraordinary true story. Number 1. Begin Again. It's again 7.4 rating from IMDb. This inspiring movie on Netflix will warm your heart even more if you have recently undergone a painful breakup and are struggling to find your meaning. Begin Again tells the story of a heartbroken Greta who meets a discredited records label executive and strike an unlikely friendship. Together, the odd pair venture on exploring life all over again, finding their lost selves and in the process transforming each other. Begin Again, with its simplicity, hauntingly and beautifully music and graceful performance, managed to strike a chord with the audience, taking them to emotional depth to a profound realization. True to its name, the inspiring movie on Netflix makes the viewer ponder over some heavy question about love and life and leave them with the courage to start afresh. And it took a lot of time to make this video, but you will take a second to like it. For this, please like the video and subscribe by clicking the red below button. The video. Thank you for watching this.